Hi there, this is Jason again. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to integrate OASIS with your Jenkins project. So first things first, a couple of the things that we've had to do with OASIS. We had to get a couple plugins. So the plugins you really want to get are, we got GitHub plugins. We also have the fitness plugin as well. Nothing real special. And since this is a fitness variant, all we're doing is we're working within fitness itself to go ahead and execute our tests. Let's go ahead and view the project and see what it does. As you can see here, we've hooked it up to the repository, and we've set up our Oracle JDK. We set it up to the master branch. And we're running this actually on a time schedule of 3 a.m. every day. We're using an ant distribution. Likewise, you can use the Maven project to go ahead and execute this with Maven. And as you can see here, one of the things we start doing is we start adding individual steps to go ahead and execute fitness. So we filled it in with our fitness-standalone. So to give you guys an idea of what this looks like and how things correspond, let me go ahead and open up the actual project itself. So we go ahead and we tell it to find the fitness standalone jar, and we're going to run this test right here, a simple fitness test. The target is a suite, and we're going to go ahead and output it as an XML file. So our post-build steps are, what we're going to basically do is we're going to go ahead and zip this file up after we're done, and we're going to publish our results. And we just have our regular email notifications down below. And so once the files are archived and zipped, that's going to trigger the next project, which is called OASIS Windows Test, which is connected to two VM slave systems we have set up, a Windows 7 and a Windows XP box. Let's go back to Jenkins. Let's go ahead and view the Windows project, and we'll go ahead and see exactly the setup for this downstream project. So we want to go ahead and execute concurrent builds. We're triggering it after OASIS has been built. And so we use our configuration matrix to set up some slaves. And we're going to run it on Windows 7 and Windows XP slave nodes. We're copying the artifacts from OASIS. I forgot to mention that plugin as well. The copy artifacts plugin is essential to go ahead and executing this. And we do some simple batch commands here. We first remove the directory currently existing OASIS, and then we go ahead and unzip oasis.zip. So we take the artifact from the previous upstream project, and we go ahead and unzip it directly here, which will produce a folder called OASIS. We change directories into it, and we execute this local ant bash script using the following commands: resolve unit test, run, and we say spawn true. And below that we execute another set of commands. We're going to say fitness test dash dfitness underbar tests, OASIS example, simple selenium test. And we're also going to run a simple fitness test as well. You can go ahead and view these commands in the build.xml file. And afterwards we're going to shut it down. Once completed, we're going to go ahead and output our results into this XML file right here. We're going to publish all the results. So there's a prefix once a test has been executed. If you look at your build.xml, you'll see that it appends individual XMLs for each individual test with this prefix, test result dash, and your test name. To get all list and display of all the test results, you simply add this prefix dash star to go ahead and gather all the results. And that is currently our setup on OASIS Jenkins. Please follow up on video 2, which will go ahead and we'll kick off the VM and watch the Windows 7 VM node execute.